How to get rid of ads on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Advanced section, and from there click on Site Settings. Once you're here, you need to search for ads and click on it. As you can see, the ads are allowed. What you need to do in order to turn them off is click on the toggle next to them and they will be blocked. As you can see, Google Chrome here tells you that this will block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. Then you need to go back and click on pop-ups and redirects, which are usually just some ads. So what you need to do is also click on the toggle next to them. As you can see, Google Chrome here tells you that this will block sites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which is what you want, and it's also recommended to do so. So that was it for this video. That's how to stop and block ads on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.